Do you ever get tired of organizing your files? Well, me too. So I built this thing, and let me just show you how it works. You just click play, ask for the file directory, you enter it, and you can see all these files are not organized at all. They're just in here, and then watch. It automatically organizes them, and even comes out with the names. So now, let me show you how I built this. These are all the libraries for the, like, for moving the files and stuff. This basically scans your directory, makes a file list for all the files. This is just saying, look in this folder. If it's a file, put a file path and put it in this list, the file name and the file extension, so the suffix. Ask AI, scans the file, then it has this big prompt which just tells it, hey, if I give you this, give me this. So this goes in Python folder, this goes in image folder, this goes in database folder. And this is what I'm using for the AI, which is I'm using Ollama. You can use whatever you want. I'm using GPT OS 20B Cloud. Uh, so now it just splits it into different categories, makes a list by splitting using commas, and then just returns the categories. Then this is just a prompt for the directory. If you're wondering why there's an R, that's just if I don't put the R, it thinks that's like a escape letter or something, and so that's why. Scans the files, asks the AI. This just in all the files, find where it is, make the category folder if it's not there. If it is, just leave it. Finds where to move it, then just moves that file into that folder. So that's basically it. And I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and comment any ideas of simple Python coding projects you want to do. And I'll have all the code in the description. And just subscribe and comment down below about other tutorials. And thank you for watching. Okay, bye.